Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out a very cool product. We're actually checking out a product by the brand AZDOME. They actually were nice enough to send this out for me to test it out and check it out and install it in my car. So it's an 11.8 touchscreen streaming mirror dash cam. So forget your old rear view mirror. Now we have one that you can actually see everything live and it records, and pretty much it's a touchscreen. I haven't seen, not even Tesla has that, I believe. So let's check it out. Let's unbox it, and then we're gonna go install it in my car. All right, guys. So let's start from the beginning. So AZDOME, enjoy your smart driving. 11.8 touchscreen streaming mirror dash cam. Dual recording. You can actually record. You can set up a camera in the back, so you can record the back and record the front. It does have parking mode, HD up to 1080p, and super night vision. So this one's the PG17. Not much going on in the box, so let's see what's inside. So here it is, guys. Super cool, nice display. In the back we do have the main camera that records the front. It looks like we have a reset button. We have the cable for the back camera, looks like. We have an SD card. We have these mounting brackets, looks like. Looks like we might have a speaker. And we also looks like we have a power right here. So we're gonna turn on in a bit, but let's see what else is inside the box. Inside the box, we have the brackets for the car. We also do have, it looks like the power supply for it. Power supply, and we have the rear view mirror camera. So camera is nicely, packaged. And then we also do have, this looks like, I think this might be GPS. I think it might be GPS. We got a cleaning cloth. We also have some installation stuff here. We also have some more like mounting brackets, and we have the user manual or owner's manual. Looks like we even get a screen protector for the front, which is super cool, and some cleaning pads to get started. So let's go outside. All right, guys, so here's our boring old rear view mirror. No screen, no nothing going on. So we're gonna put on the new one. The new one actually has these nice little buckles, these little rubber buckles that kind of just sit over it. Once we sit over it, we want to strap on the buckles right here to the bottom, and they'll lock in place. And then I have to run the cable along my edge right here, and then, kind of remove this panel right here and run it down to my car charger so that we can use it. So let me do that real quick. Okay, guys, so check it out. We have the new AZDOME touchscreen rear view mirror. This one right here is the GPS, so I'll check out your speeds. So as you can see, kilometers. I think we can change that into miles probably. We need the power cable, which is this cable right here. I'm gonna run it around the panel. I'm gonna kind of lift that panel so I can hide it, and then run it underneath, and then my outlets down here, so you won't be able to see it. And then right now we just have it temporary, but as you can see, the image is amazing. It straps with these buckles around, and we have the GPS right here mounted. Comes with a nice sticky. We have this camera right here. This camera, you can move it and adjust it depending on what you want it to record. As you can see, that's what it looks like. It's nice and strong, so it's not gonna go anywhere with the buckles. It's not gonna move. It's kind of hanging. It's right in place. So now let's go for a drive. Let's check it out. All right, guys, this thing's super cool because you can actually stream what you just drove instantly. So this touchscreen, you can hit back, you can play the playback, and you can actually see what it recorded. One thing I like about it, it actually records your voice, so you can turn that off and on. It also records your location, the time, kilometers per hour, and everything else like that. So let's hit play so we can see instantly where I went. All right, guys, let's go for a drive. And as you can see, I was saying let's go for a drive. There we go. Sorry about that. It was kind of like, let's go find some cars. The display was kind of like flickering, but as you can see, it's a very clear image, and you're able to stream this instantly. So let's say you get pulled over, let's say you're in an accident, you can actually see this instantly. And it's super clear. I love it. Let's go find a car. overall, it's super cool. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up. I like the GPS feature. I like that you can use it as a regular rear view mirror. So right now I can actually see the back of my, my rear view. And it also comes with a backup camera. I do have a backup camera here when I back up, but I will be installing, eventually I'll install the backup camera here so it also records when I back up in case I hit somebody. It does offer the time, and it also offers, the how fast you're going and the hour. You might be able to adjust that, and you can flip it like that instantly. You can just flip it back if you need to. So like if you had another camera, you can always put it on there. You can lock it in place. You can disable the voice recording. It auto records as soon as you turn on the car. It has a lot of features right here, full HD features. Let's see, what else do we get? Date and time and format. And if you need to access your SD card, it's up here, so you can always pull it out and save. Let me see. But overall, it's super easy to set up. I'm very impressed by it. I love how easy, pretty much how easy it was to set up, and all you have to do is hide the cables, set them up however you want them, and then you'll have a perfect system that you can stream the video instantly. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys.